Hello and welcome to the channel. So in this video I'm going to take you for a walk at the roads of Pentai Cenang and show you what you can get when you come to Langkawi and in Pentai Cenang. So without further ado, let's get started. So right now we are almost at the southern part of Pentai Cenang. You can see Asenia there, that is a hotel resort. This is Park Royal. From here the road gets divided into two parts. The one on the right goes to Pentai Cenang. On the Pentai Cenang area there is the jetty for the island hopping tour, and if you take left you will go towards Kua. So from here we are going to start our video and give you a walk around presentation of how Pentai Cenang looks like and how beautiful Pentai Cenang is. So first you can see Tropicana Cenang here. There is Sand Banana Leaf Bistro. We are walking again towards the north end of this place. Okay, on my right you can see, I hope you can see Skechers there. Okay, Big Q duty free. This island is totally duty free, so you will see a lot of duty free stores here all around. There is a construction going on here, this side. So this is the Cenang View Hotel, which you will get recommendations online before coming to Pentai Cenang. You can see this hotel. This is Cenang View Hotel actually. Okay, so moving forward. This is the Cenang Duty Free Shopping Center, where you can do all the shopping of groceries and food items. Tea leaf. This is Red Tomato Langkawi. I hope this is a restaurant lounge. Yes, this is a restaurant lounge actually. Okay, McDonald's on the left. Another duty-free shop here, Paradise Signature. You can see they are selling all kinds of wine and whiskeys, I guess. Okay, so we are moving forward. Western Union money transfer for money exchange if you need. This is zone duty free. You can do a lot of shopping here also. This is Sports City. This is also duty free, by the way. Coco Valley. On the opposite side of the road is Coco Valley. I'll be showing you the place. This is Coco Valley. This is underwater Langkawi, which is the aquarium here. We haven't went to the underwater Langkawi because we will be going to the KLCC Aquaria in Kuala Lumpur, and we wanted to visit only a single aquarium inside Malaysia, so we have selected that one instead of this. But this is also very good actually. You should definitely come here once when you are in Langkawi. So moving forward, Cenang Coffee and Cafe. Okay, a hookah lounge on the right. You can see this, right? Okay. And this way you can see the Toja guest house. The My Cenang guest house is also present there where we are staying. It's a great place to stay. I will highly recommend you. Whenever you come, you can stay here. These are all the stores on the roadside where they are selling dresses and kids item. Happy Smart is also a place where you can have some good food. This is a hotel, by the way, with restaurant. So moving forward, Tao Soon Hat, place to do good shopping, including chocolates. I guess they sell chocolates here, so duty free, by the way. You can see on the opposite side of the road, all of these are the dresses. They have been selling a lot of dresses, footballs for kids and adults also. You can see sandals, everything is there. Okay, on this side of the road is the Pentachianang's food market, which I'm going to do a video on, by the way, and once it gets released, it will be on the link of this video. So as you can see, there are a huge lot of stores there selling dresses, sandals, footballs, and also swimwears. Okay, on this side also it's the same. This is the main Pentai Cenang area actually. This is Cabin Langkawi, a place to stay. Langkawi resort is there, you can see. Okay, Langura Baron Resort, one of the most popular places, along with Langkawi, all just side by side actually. Okay, so we are walking Rasa Senang Villa. You can see all these hotels are there in Google. You can check them out. Senang Walk, they have a Senang Walk here, and another one is just a few meters away. You can see the online you can see the stores actually all open. These are the places actually you can come here to book your island hopping tours on, or Kilimji forest tours or something like this. These are the places actually. Mini mart is also there. You can get some good food, you can shop, you can take food from there and cook yourself also. Damascus Cafe, right? So the road is full of shops and stores actually. You can see them. It still goes on. I'm still walking. Okay, this is the Silang Plaza. On the left side of me is the Silang Plaza. Hotlink to get SIM cards and electronic gadgets. My French Factory and Yamini Express is also here. You can get good shawarma here. I've tried and it's very nice actually. Definitely worth a try. Senang Mall on the right side. This is Marcure Hotel. Senang Mall is a must visit place here. Do come to this place, you will get all these things here actually. Maybank, 7-Eleven, Starbucks, everything is inside the Senang Mall. And in the Senang Plaza area, you can see there's Pizza Hut, Subway, the Loft is also there. This is Happy Museum, one of the best places to take photos inside and outside both. You can see the designs they have. It's very beautiful, by the way. So we are walking straight. Okay, so this on the left is the Pentachianang Beach, where they have the Pentachianang logo also. You can come, enjoy, swim, do whatever you want. This is the main beach area where people come and gather. This is Nadia's hotel. Look at the design, it's very beautiful actually. You have Nadia's Cafe, Eco Pool, Flow Plaza, Flow Spa actually. Langkawi Designer Outlet, Ali Bristow, the food hub, which I will definitely recommend to all who loves rice, chicken and Indian food. Definitely worth a try. You can see the Pentai Cenang Beach area. So we are moving forward. Pyrex, Warison, duty free, Langkawi on the right. Water sports activities you can book from here. Best star resort, all on the internet. You will get recommendations. Vision, Koril, Corin, where most of the stores are duty free here. Actually all of them are duty free here, but not everyone has mentioned it in the banners. So we are going forward. This is also a place where you should definitely try some seafood. This is Shell Out. I tried some food here also. It's very good actually. Hello. You should definitely try food from here also. It's very good. Seafood lovers, this is a place for you. AB market, mini markets. These are mini markets actually where you can do some shopping, some groceries and all. So Western Union again for money transfer. This is AV Motel. If anyone requests motel, this is the place you should definitely come to. Okay. So we are just moving forward with my train today. Coconut shake. Okay. Again, stores for buying shopping items actually. You can see the cars here moves very slowly. That is a very good sign actually. They drive in a very disciplined way, which is a good thing by the way. Best finger spa. Come here for spa if you need it. So we have almost came to the end part of this video, and what I would like to say to you all, Vikas Cafe. You can come here for Malay food, Western cuisine and Thai food also. Good place. Sandy Beach Resort, 100% recommendation. You will get it from Google. It's a very good place. Amzar Hotel is here. These are all near the beach actually, so it won't be a problem. It won't be a problem to reach actually. Pentachianang is a place which is the most popular place, tourist place in Langkawi. They have Kua, they have other places to stay, but Pentai Cenang is the most happening place at night also. So definitely this is the place where I would recommend you all to stay when you are in Langkawi. So when you are in Langkawi, do come to Pentai Cenang, stay here. You will love the people, you will love the food. And for there is Barber King for food. You can try it here also. Bread Story is there. So Pentai Cenang is an area where you should definitely come and stay. For the people, for the food, for the love of beach, and also if you want to travel here and there, Grab option is always there. Just download the app from Google Play Store or Apple Play Store and you are good to go. So this is it for the video. We have almost covered all the areas inside Pentai Cenang. There's some of it is left, but all are of the same type and stores actually. So I hope you all loved the video. Please do give a thumbs up, do comment, share with your friends who wants to visit Malaysia and Pentai Cenang in Langkawi. Maybe it will be helpful for them. Palm View food, seafood resort, another place to come and eat. Big place actually. Okay, thank you so much. Before going, I would like to say one thing. I have a list of videos on how we traveled and visited Pentai Cenang. Please do check them out. You will get a good knowledge about how Pentai Cenang is and how Langkawi is actually all together. So do watch that video. You will get a lot of informations there on where to go, how to go and when to go. So do subscribe if you like the video, and this is Shushmit signing off. Thank you.